Hmm? Hi friend, just now I received Bajaj water heater. The model is impression water heater. Item code is this one and voltage level is 1.5 kilowatts. Voltage is 230 watts, 250 hertz. How much cost of this? Actual rate is 650. I was purchased in Amazon with offer price 400 rupees only. Now I open this box. This is the Bajaj water heater. Now I just want to open this. This is the branded one, the Bajaj. This is the original logo of this Bajaj water heater. I see this is the voltage level to return this one and code also. How can we use this product for the bath and more uses? See this level 1, minimum level in this one and maximum level 1.5 kilowatts water heater to make hot water for home usage only. Listen the burning of this water, very high temperature and very hot. Within a 5 minutes you get the hot water to make easy bath in our home purpose. Isn't this the burning of the water? It is very excellent product and very nice. Thank you for watching this video, and to like and share it. For more video you can subscribe to my channel. After 4 seconds, I will check the water level. Just my friend touched the water, and how much of hot to make this?
Very nice.
Good product. Thank you for watching this video.